Step into the 2014 Ram 4500 HD chassis. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, skid plates, and power windows. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.